everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to talk about how to use Amazon gift card to buy Robux. So let's get into the video. So you can do this by purchasing a virtual Roblox card. So go to Amazon and then search for Roblox gift card, and then just choose a card that suits your budget or any gift card. And then what you're going to do, go to your card and then simply add it to your card and then proceed to checkout. So when you proceed to checkout here, so what you're going to do, you're going to use your Amazon gift card as the payment method. So when you scroll down on your payment method here, use this one, your gift card option here, enter your Amazon gift card option and then hit on apply and use this payment method and complete this transaction. So now that you have a Roblox digital card, simply now go to Roblox, and then when you get to buy page here, so you can just choose the amount based on your Roblox digital card. Just make sure that you have sufficient funds on your card in order to purchase this. So make sure they tally each other. So then that's it. So just choose one here. Okay, so now click, for example, here I want to choose this, I want to buy this, so I'm going to choose that. And then when I get to this payment method here, you simply have to select this option here, redeem Roblox card, because you already have the digital card. So simply select that option. And then now what you need to do is simply type in the PIN number from your digital card and then hit on redeem and then submit this order, and that's it. That's how you purchase your Robux. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video.